Tell me a story. You can tell me a story? What did you do today? Huh? What did you do today? Did you go to school with Grandma and Hannah? Did you? Did you see anybody there? Did you see Mr. Frank? That's a good story. Did Mr. Frank try to smile at you? Did he? Did you see Miss Christine? What did you think about her? You spend it having a sleepover at Grandma's house? Are you sleeping over at Grandma's house tonight? What are you going to tell Papa when he gets home? What are you going to say to Papa when he gets home? That's a good story. I like that story. That's a good story. Okay. Are you finished? Uh-huh.